Hi guys, it's Kay here at TT Liquor in Shoreditch. Coming up for you today, I have got 5 of my favorite non-alcoholic cocktails for you guys to make. There are links to the full videos for these on our YouTube channel as well. Enjoy. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make an alcohol-free version of our pineapple picante smash. Now, I want maybe about 4 or 5 of these pineapple chunks. I'm going to do 2 little slices of my chili. I'm going to cut it down into little quarter wedges and I'll pop one of those in there. Break the chili up a little bit and get it mixed around. We want 50 mils of our seedlip. And I want the same amount of pineapple as I had of my seedlip, so 50 mils again. We don't need too much of this, I just want 20 mils of my sugar syrup. Now I'm not going to fill the cup all the way up, I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the top so I've got room to stir my cocktail. I'm going to take a big old scoop of crushed ice and just use my hand to form it into a dome. So there we have it, that is our alcohol-free pineapple picante smash, ready to drink. I'm going to be showing you how to make a really special non-alcoholic version of our Passionfruit Martini. Now I want 40 mils of my seedlip. Now in this drink we want 20 mils of our passion fruit syrup. Cut this in half, ready to squeeze. And we'll squeeze the juice into there. Last thing to go in here is going to be some fresh passion fruit. Use my bar spoon here to scoop the guts from half of that passion fruit. I'm going to fill this with cubed ice. And I'm just going to use my strainer to strain this drink into the glass like so. I'll just grab that little passion fruit half that I saved from earlier and float that in there for a garnish. And that is our alcohol-free passion fruit martini, ready to drink. I'm going to be showing you how to make a very special non-alcoholic version of our melon zombie. And the first thing I need is some alcohol-free booze. I'm going to be using 75 mils or 3 shots of Alcoleña. So here we go. It's 50. And another 25. We've got some orgeat almond syrup and I'm going to add about 15 mils of this. Squeeze the juice from both of those lime halves straight into my shaker. Big old smack to seal it. And we'll shake this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. I'm going to pour the whole thing straight into this lovely hurricane glass. Now I want roughly about 20 mils of this, but I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to free pour it over the top. Right, so there we go. And I'm going to take a couple of these matches just so that I've got a nice big flame. And we'll just sprinkle some cinnamon over that flame. And that is our alcohol-free melon zombie ready to drink. I'm going to be showing you how to make a really special non-alcoholic version of our Bakewell Fizz. This drink, I'm going to want 35 mils of my alcohol-free amaretto. I'm going to go with 10 mils of my cherry syrup. 20 mils of my cranberry juice. I want about a shot of lemon juice, which should be about half a lemon. And there we go. Fill that shaker up with some cubed ice. Pop my tin on top. Fantastic. And put a little splash of this in the bottom of my glass. And then I'll strain the rest of my Bakewell Fizz over that soda. Fill this glass with some cubed ice. And then I'm just going to top it with a little bit of crushed. And just do myself a really nice lemon wheel. So that is our Bakewell Fizz ready to drink. So this next drink is called a Mockingbird. Now the first thing I need for this cocktail is some of this lovely acorn aromatic alcohol-free aperitif. And I want 25 mils of this stuff. Right, next thing going into this drink is going to be some apple juice. And I want 50 mils of my apple juice. Next up, we want a little bit of sugar syrup, so I'm just going to do 5 mils of my gum syrup. I want 25 mils of lemon juice, and we'll just squeeze the juice from those lemon halves into here, and I'll pop that in here. Fill this up with cubed ice, right up to the top. Give it a nice big smack to seal it. Well, all right, crack that open. Drain my drink into the glass like so. And that is our Mockingbird ready to drink.